So we got a package today. Let's see what's in this thing. Open it up. Check it out. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a nice hoodie. Some Bella Canvas. Another Bella Canvas. They sent us some hoodies. Okay. Alright. So I like the colors. Apricot hoodie. I like it's nice and warm. Looks nice and warm. I love it. Like I said, I like the drawstring. The hood is big, but not. I like them to be really big. Where it engulfs my face. So if I got my hoodie on, I'm not getting no wind. But that's cool. Okay. Got the equipment pocket. That's good. You can definitely design and print on that. And this part right here. Nice and loose. Very, 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 very soft. This is some good quality. It's good quality material. This is a Bella Canvas. Okay. Alright, that was nice. What else we got in the box? Alright. We got some t-shirts. More Bella Canvas t-shirts. It's the apricot color. Khaki. This is more like khaki. Khaki, apricot. Nice. I like this part. Crew neck. Has the crew neck. Short sleeve shirt. Tees. Look. Stretchy. It's good material, man. This feels comfortable too. It's something you can, just lay on you. I like this. Look at the crew neck. You see that? Details, man. I like the details, Front, back. This is a large. And we have another one. Like I said, I like the crew neck. It's giving very good, comfortable vibes. Can definitely design these. Put something nice on these. Organic. Sell these. This is a good color, man. This color is definitely in. This khaki like apricot color. Bella Canvas is stretchy. I like it, man. I think this t-shirt and the hoodie are going to do wonders for the brand. I got the t-shirt here. 2 t-shirts, large. 2 t-shirts, large. Crew neck, like I said, crew style. The crew neck tees. And then I got this. What could be better? Got this. This is nice. It's comfortable. It's a good color. I like this color, man. You got to put something with this nice color waves. You know what I mean? This is dope, man.